Hi and welcome to another Snazzy Foods cooking video where we make cooking simple. Today we're going to be making a better than Nando style chicken livers. I have here 500 grams of chicken livers, 2 cups of water and some vinegar. I'm going to soak the livers in the water and vinegar. We're going to let this soak for about half an hour and then drain it. Okay, so we have rinsed the chicken livers and have left it to drain. To this I will now add 2 teaspoons of garlic, a teaspoon of coriander and cumin mix, just a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Just going to give it a good mix. We let it marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. In a pan on medium heat, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let that melt down. Okay, I think that's good enough. We're going to add in the chicken livers. We're going to let this braise a little. To this we will now add in a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, we're going to let this braise until it's nice and brown. So this is now cooked down nicely. As you can see, it has some nice color on it. I'm going to remove it from the pan. And in the same pan, I'm going to add in again a tablespoon of butter, let that just melt down a bit. To this I'm now going to add in about 1 medium onion. We're going to let this braise until the onion is almost translucent. Okay, the onion seems to be done. I'm going to add back the livers to the pan. I'm going to let the onions and livers cook together a little bit before we add in the tomato paste. When mixing the livers, stir it in gently as you don't want it to all mush up. To this now, I'm going to add in about a half a sachet of tomato paste. So that would be about 25 grams. I'll also add in a bit of lemon juice. I'll now add in some Nandos sauce. I'm using the medium sauce. You can use whichever flavor you enjoy. I'm also going to add in about half a cup of fresh cream. Just gonna let the cream cook in a bit. To this, I'm gonna add some coriander. And there we have our better-than-Nando's peri peri chicken livers. Time for the taste test. Wow, that is good. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. It really helps to promote the channel. See you again on the next video.